Welcome to First Quick Tips. Today I'm going to teach you how to get vibrant colors in Adobe Photoshop in just a few seconds. So in Adobe Photoshop, once you have your image opened in the software, what you're going to do is go straight up to Image, down to Adjustments, and then over and down to Color Lookups. That's where we're going to find our LUTs or our lookup tables. And then right next to 3D LUT file, Photoshop should have some presets inside of their software already. So you can just go down and you can choose any one of these. If you didn't like that one, you can choose a couple different ones there and see how that turns out for you. It's really up to you. Look at that day for night filter, it's pretty cool. So I'm going to choose Crisp Warm. So right then and there, you can see just how different it looks from the beginning of what it looked like before. That's before and that's after. And that's how you can use a lookup table or a LUT in Adobe Photoshop.